5 signs that you are actually married to a narcissist. Narcissism falls under the category of a personality disorder, but the clinical name for those with pronounced symptoms of narcissism is called Narcissistic Personality Disorder. Personality disorders are conditions in which people, ordinary human beings, that have traits which cause them to feel and behave in socially distressing ways, which then limits their ability to function both in private relationships and public relationships. Now, finding out whether you're actually married to a narcissist can help you tremendously. The reason why is you can then make an active choice whether to continue being in the relationship or step out for your own sanity. Let's look at the 5 signs that you are married to a narcissist. Sign number 1, they violate your boundaries. You say no, they ignore that and they continue to do what serves them. It's a major red flag. Sign number 2, they lack empathy. They simply don't care about your needs and desires. The only thing that's important is that they get their way. Sign number 3, they are very manipulative. They will do whatever it takes in order to get what they want. Sign number 4, they do not help around with bills or expenses or responsibilities. They feel they're too good for that. They feel they're too above that, and you need to serve them all the time. They seek to abuse their power over you, be it financial or emotionally. Being married to a person like this is like hell on earth. And I assure you, you do have rights as well. You can leave that relationship, whether you're a woman or a man. If you need help in your situation, whether that's guidance on how to get a divorce, how the assets will be split, what happens to the children, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.